Have you ever made plates or platters? How do you mount a 22mm piece of wood on the lathe? Hello, here's another wood turning tip. We are Dutch and greedy, people say. So if we can use 22mm piece of wood, we don't use 25mm piece of wood. This is 21mm, so we use 22mm wood. And how do I mount that on the lathe? You can buy an expensive spike plate, but we don't do that because we're Dutch. So we make our own little El Cheapo spike plate. Look, there it is. It's just a little faceplate that I tapped some nails in, and when the nails were in, I chopped them off. And what we do then is mark the center. There it is. Yep. Bring in the tailstock. And off we go. If you don't want to buy a small faceplate, you can even make it cheaper, because you probably already have a chuck. And then, look, here's one we use in the courses. It's a smaller one. Principle is the same. And I mount it in the jaws of my chuck. Same procedure. And off we go again. Typical Dutch tip for you. See you next time.